Hi everybody, I'm Tiff Howie from Broom Boat Sales, and today we're going to take you on a full boat tour of one of our latest listings. This is a 1998 build boat in an absolutely stunning condition. She's fitted with a Mercruiser 5.7 litre 250 horsepower engine. So without further ado, let's take a look. So our first look around the outside, and you can see there's a lovely bow here at the front. This gives you great room to sit on board out in the sunshine. You can also see electric anchor winch there too. We've got stainless steel pulpit rails that go all the way around the outside, and a lovely full canopy which also folds down. In the middle of the windscreens, that will open, so you've got access straight from the cockpit out to the front as well. You've also got stainless steel cleats handily positioned all the way around, particularly at the bow there. And they're really easy to get to when you are mooring up. She's in a really stunning condition externally. Moving into the cockpit, we've got this really social seating area. You've got bench seat at the back with a door there which is access from the bathing platform. And then when we start to look a little bit further forward, you've got another seat facing the bench and a twin helm position, so two people can sit there quite happily. The helm position has everything you'd need to manoeuvre this boat. She's a stern drive engine, so that means you've got lovely steering in reverse as well as in forward, and all of your instrumentation just there. Then we'll look back of the cockpit, and then across from the helm position you've got this lovely chaise lounge style seat there too, so loads of lovely social area in this boat, making her a great place to sit out in the sunshine. So now we're going to head down into the main accommodation. So we head down a couple of steps from the cockpit, and we'll find ourselves first of all in the saloon / galley. So galley is over on the port side and very well equipped. So we have a microwave, we have a single burner Kenyan stove, there's a refrigerator, sink with hot and cold tap, and plenty of storage. There's also a bit of worktop space there, and then we're going to find the electrics panel just in here, so you can see your voltmeter there for the shore power and battery charger too. Just ahead of that we find the saloon. So this is a lovely comfortable area to sit inside, and it also does convert into a double berth. So this is the first two of the 4 berths in total. There's a locker over on this starboard side, we've got an escape hatch built in to the ceiling there, handy lights all around, and you'll notice lots of natural light. The heads compartment is over on the starboard side. That's a WC2 holding tank, and you've also got sink and stowage, as well as mirror, light and window for natural light there too. And then the formal 2-berth arrangement on this boat, which creates the 4 berths in total, is here just behind the galley. So this is located under the cockpit flooring essentially. We have a large mirror there. There's also a window for natural light which comes from the cockpit, and you can see it's a pretty spacious berth too. You can sleep in there quite comfortably. There's also light built into this area as well, so it will feel very light. Now we're just going to take a quick look in the engine bay. So here we have the Mercruiser 5.7 litre engine. This is a 250 horsepower engine. It's a popular and reliable choice. It's a GM based V8 engine, and you can see that this is really easy to access. We've got tanks over there on the starboard side. We've got a fitted in engine bay heater, batteries and charger there too. Everything is really easy to access. This is our full tour on the Sea Ray 250 Sundancer completed. As always, thank you so much for coming around on this tour with me. I hope you found it really useful. If you have any comments or questions, or if you'd like to organise to come and see the Sea Ray, get in touch and we'll come back to you. And please make sure that you are subscribed to our channel, where we post all of our latest tour videos. Thanks for watching.